Hey guys, my name is Mike Halbin. I'm the president of Fight Summit. Thank you for stopping by. You know, all over the country, new gyms, new fight camps, new jiu-jitsu academies are opening up nearly every day. It also seems like every day there's a new gi company, a new fightwear brand, or another new business trying to leave their mark in our sport. It's really cool to have so many people starting a business in a sport they're passionate about. But unfortunately, the truth is that most of these new businesses are going to fail. Why? Because they're not prepared. Most new gyms that open up, or most new companies and brands that open up in the sport, they waste a lot of money and a lot of time trying to figure out how to be successful. What we do at Fight Summit, though, is really simple. We bring together the most successful academies, the best coaches, and the most successful brands. And we bring all these people together to teach you how to succeed. We completely eliminate the guesswork that would normally be involved with trying to start a gym or trying to start a business in the industry. If you want to open a school, we'll teach you, the funding, the finances, teach you how to produce better athletes. We'll teach you the marketing. We'll teach you how to get more students, how to retain more students. If you're opening up an equipment company or another brand, we'll teach you about distribution. We'll teach you about retail, design, manufacturing principles. We'll teach you how to handle sponsorships between yourself and fighters. All these different business principles that would normally take you years and years to figure out, and probably a lot of money also, they're at your disposal now. You can learn from the mistakes and the experiences of all these experts that have been there before. All you have to do, if you want to learn more, is check out some of the sample videos. They're right next to me. We have 4 sample videos up there. 2 are for coaches and 2 are for brands. So, watch whichever ones apply to you. If you think it's something that you could get, learn from and, really benefit from, it's only $60 for 12 months of information. So for the price of, one nice dinner, you'll get an entire year of expert business advice. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you inside.